Launch Maintenance Assistant.
Greetings from ADNOC Maintenance Copilot powered by Speak to IoT. How can I assist you?
Can you give brief of the preventive maintenance tasks?
For which asset?
For all.
For all the assets there are 8 active planned maintenance tasks and 1 are completed. Can I assist you with anything else?
And what about the diesel generator?
For diesel generator there are 1 active planned maintenance tasks and 0 are completed. Can I assist you with anything else?
Can you tell the breakdown summary for all the asset?
For all the assets we are seeing 7 breakdown tasks and 1 are completed. How else can I assist you?
And what about the air conditioner?
For air conditioner we are seeing 4 breakdown tasks and 1 are completed. Can I assist you with anything else?
Which is the most common and frequently repeated issue?
As of now, diesel generator, machine not working is most common complaint that has repeated 2 times. Can I help you with something else?
How fast are we resolving the issues?
So far the average response time is 06 hours 32 minutes and the average resolution time is 00 hours and 01 minutes. How else can I assist you?
I want to file a complaint ticket.
Sure. Can you please provide the asset that is having issues?
Air conditioner.
Please share the asset location.
Cafeteria.
Please provide a brief description of the issue for air conditioner in cafeteria.
It is too cold and there is a water leakage.
I have the details to file the ticket for air conditioner in cafeteria. Please reply with yes or no to proceed ahead.
Yes, please.
The complaint is registered. How else can I assist you?
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.